Hi everyone. Before we get into the tools, let's take a high-level tour of the AI suite so you can move around confidently and understand where the key features live. This episode isn't about using anything in depth. It's simply an orientation, a visual map that will make the next episodes much easier to follow. Let's begin with the sidebar on the left, your main way of navigating the suite. At the very top, you'll see the project selector, where all your workspaces live. We'll cover projects later in the course, but for now, just note that this is where you switch between them. Just below that, you'll find the main sections: Home, Stock, and Community. Home gives you quick entry points to start creating. All generators are available directly from here. Stock gives you access to assets you can use in your projects. And Community shows creations made by other users. Just under these, there's an area called Pinned. This is where the tools you pin will appear. Anytime you use the pin icon on a tool, it's added here in the sidebar so you can reach it instantly. At the bottom of the sidebar, you'll find View Project, which gives you quick access to all your active projects. Below that, History lets you revisit your recent creations. At the very top of Home, you'll find the main search bar. This isn't just for searching assets. You can also use it to start creating, jump into generators, explore fonts, etc. Right below it, you'll see a simple question that sets the starting point. What would you like to create today? Right below it, you'll find a set of quick entry points for the main tools, like Image Generator, Video Generator, Image Editor, and others. These let you jump straight into creating without extra steps. On the right, you'll also find All Tools, which opens the full list of available generators and editors, grouped by image, video, audio, and other. This is useful when you want to see everything that's available in one place. A bit lower on the page sits Recent Creations, a section that organizes your generated content so you can quickly jump back into previous work. As you continue through the page, you reach the Get Inspired section. This is where you'll find templates, along with community, tutorials, styles, and collections. From here, you can browse templates directly and use the drop-down on the right to filter by type. Just beyond that, What's New highlights recent updates and improvements across the suite. Before we finish, let's look at the option on the right side of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll find your user menu, your credits, subscription details, settings, creator profile, my collections, language, theme options, and the help center. It's the central place to manage everything related to your account. At the very bottom of the sidebar, you'll find a row of quick access icons. From here, you can open Help, switch between light, dark, or system appearance modes, check your notifications, and access a menu with options like feedback, support, and help articles. And that's the full overview of the AI suite. This episode sets the foundation for what comes next. From here, we'll explore each tool individually and build up step by step. Hope you enjoyed it. Come join us in the next one.